comes to dry skin, we have very limited options because we want something that is non-sticky and hydrating at the same time. So today I'm gonna share a list of moisturizers that are hydrating but non-sticky at the same time, and this list contains moisturizers that are budget friendly and high-end both, so you can choose accordingly. So let's get started. So the number one moisturizer that I'm gonna talk about is Etude House Jung 2X Barrier Cream. Now that moisturizer is really rich. If you have extremely dry, dehydrated skin, that is gonna be a gem for you. Major ingredient in this one is pentothal and shea butter extracts, which makes it really rich in consistency, but still it's very lightweight when you apply it on the skin, but it gives you that proper hydration that we need on very drying days. And I have extremely dry skin, that's why I'm recommending to you. I use that product every time my skin is dry, dehydrated. This is the product I usually go for because it is so soothing on the skin and it feels so like, you know, rich, thick cream. So if you are someone who like thick textures when it comes to their cream, especially for your nighttime skincare routine, I think that is the best moisturizer to go for. Just look no further. It is not that expensive. That is the best part because the quality is amazing. Every single moisturizer I'm going to talk about, the quality is going to be top notch, so don't worry about that. So that is the number one recommendation for all those of you looking for very rich and thick moisturizer. Number second comes to my favorite cream. I've also recommended that cream in my skin healing journey. I'm gonna mention that video in the I button in case you want to check it out. In that video, I've explained everything that I did to get from dry, dehydrated skin, which I've shown in that video, to this glowy skin that I have today. So you can definitely check it out if you are someone facing that dry situation with your skin and wanted to achieve glass skin. That video is absolutely for you guys. Again, I'm gonna link it in the I button. Coming back to our second moisturizer, it's the Face Shop 7 Oil Blend. This is their Therapy range. So Face Shop has made different range depending on the skin concerns. And the range I'm talking about is the Therapy range, which is specially curated for people who has like very dry, dehydrated skin and who want anti-aging properties in their skincare. That cream is so rich in texture and that is my absolute favorite. Every single cream I'm gonna mention is my favorite, and that's why I'm recommending it to you guys. It contains 7 different type of oils and the formula is like totally different from all the other moisturizer that I've ever used. It is like very thick. It's like not your normal moisturizer. It's a very thick and rich moisturizer, and it hydrates. It actually hydrates, because this happens with a lot of moisturizing creams if you have ever used, that they are very thick but they are not moisturizing. So there is a difference between a thick cream and a thick cream with moisturizing properties, and the Face Shop one has that same kind of properties. It's going to heal your skin, it's going to soothe your skin. If you have irritated skin, definitely go in with that moisturizer. It makes a perfect nighttime and daytime moisturizer. The earlier moisturizer that I was talking about, that is best suitable for nighttime use. This particular moisturizer, you can use it day, night, anytime you want to. It's amazing. This one is a little pricey and it's for $60. So yeah, it's a little expensive, but I think it's totally worth it. And if you buy that moisturizer, you don't need to buy any other skincare product. Like some days I don't want to do my skincare. That is the only moisturizer I apply and my skin is like all set, glowy, dewy, beautiful. If you are a lazy girl and don't want to include that steps in your skincare, you can definitely check that out. Third moisturizer that I am going to recommend is the Som by Me Propolis B5 moisturizer. I don't see much reviews of this product because before buying any product, I always love to check reviews, like how it actually works, but I didn't saw any review of this. So I am going to make a detailed review video of that product, which is right here, this one. I've been using it from like last 15 days, so I have a good idea how this actually works. So this product contains 70% of propolis extract. Again, propolis is something that bees collect to make their hives, the glue kind of thing, that is propolis. That means this moisturizer is rich in honey and it has 3 different type of honeys in it. Major ingredients also include pentothal, niacinamide, glycerin. It gives you a beautiful glow. This moisturizer is very lightweight, unlike the other two that I mentioned. It moisturizes your skin deeply, but it's like not sticky, not something that shows onto your skin. And today I have that moisturizer in my skin and my sunscreen, nothing else, and you can see it makes your skin so beautiful and so glowy. I don't know why it's so underrated, but this is amazing moisturizer. And the best part is that ingredient list, which is really amazing. So anyone of you who's looking for like very light consistency moisturizer that is moisturizing but like not too much on the skin, that is the moisturizer to go for. And the last moisturizer recommendation is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Moisturizer. Now this particular moisturizer is thickest out of all that I mentioned. It has very thick consistency. As the name suggests, it is made to repair your skin. Like the days when your skin is damaged, it really helps in repairing your skin barrier. And if you have problematic skin, like very dehydrated and lifeless skin, this is gonna help you repair that. It is amazing moisturizer if you're looking for a barrier repair cream. This makes an amazing nighttime moisturizer. I don't use it in my morning skincare routine because the texture is quite thick for that. But for the nighttime routine, if you are looking to repair your skin, this is the product to go for. Absolutely worth it. Again, it is a little expensive. I got it from Sephora. You can invest in that if you are looking for a repair cream, because this makes a perfect repair cream. With that, we are done with this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video with more informative content. Till then, bye bye.